Alright, engine Sunday again. What we have here is a Maytag Twin. Some people call them 72s, but it's twin cylinder. I think I've showed one before that was on a lawnmower, but what we have, little gen set, light plat, whatever you want to call it, but it's a twin cylinder. Don't mind the muffler here, that I put that on. That is not original to it whatsoever. It just really, it's really loud, so you can't hear me talk when it's running. So then we'll go in. You can see the serial number on it here. It's going to be upside down, but February of 1940 is when this engine was built. You know, according to the serial number, but the flywheels are all pretty much interchangeable, so you can it could be off by years, but we're going with 1940. This has a blue diamond 120, what's it say, 110 volts to 125 volts, blue diamond generator on it. It was made in Chicago, Illinois, so this box up here is not original, obviously. Somebody put that on there, but I bought this several years ago, probably 8 or so years ago, and I'm just now playing with it. Originally had a motorcycle coil on it, rigged up to make it work, and that's how I seen it running. I ended up buying it. I bought it up in Pennsylvania at the Coolsprings show. But I tore all that off and redid the magneto. You can still buy the coils for them, and it's got a new capacitor in it, condenser. Points were really good in it, so I just sanded them and reset them at what, 20 thousandths of an inch. But this engine has been, somebody's played with it before me, but it does have a lot of original paint. The generator probably shows it well. It's got like kind of the wrinkle finish to it. You can see it a little bit. I don't know, we'll see, but you can see it on the crankcase. But twin cylinder engine, we're gonna give it a shot, get her started here, and see how it goes. It's a little finicky. Like I said, the muffler's not original, but to keep it kind of quiet, well, don't piss off the neighbors. Plus, you know, you can hear me talk, so they're gonna sit you down here on the tripod. Maybe you can still hear me talk. I'm gonna try to not have to do a lot of edits to this video. So 2-cycle engine. I got the air cut off so we can suck some fuel up into the crankcase and get her started. So we'll see how many pushes this takes. I'm just gonna give it like 3, and then I can smell some fuel. So we're gonna give it a little air. Maybe a little bit more. Now it's gonna. She wants to go.